welcome. It's our next project. Whoa, whoa! Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Stop! Sure. So we found that the wine actually wasn't her, eh? It was actually the truck that was whining. So getting a new rear end put in the old Sierra. How does that make you feel? Please, have a seat. Tell me how that makes you feel. Welcome to another episode of MacDonald Auto. Rear end install today. I don't think I'm gonna be doing any work though, because I am just exhausted. I'm strictly gonna watch this one. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, sure, perfect. You're doing a good job, guys. Okay, go ahead. Yeah.
Put it in.
I don't even know why you pulled that pin.
Yeah.
This is painful. All right, well, I'm gonna wait for them to get this out. God, you guys are such a good team.
Yeah. Leave it on top. Down.
Okay, go up.
It's kind of like when your boss is watching you.
Ian's nervous.
And it's just filming you. Like...
Job done. Hold up.
Did you get it in, or?
You okay?
No, I'm burping.
You're breathing heavily in my ear.
You love it?
It makes me drool. Did you talk the guy down on price? You just went, okay, here's cash.
For the rear end?
Yeah, he wasn't even there.
I was dealing with a mailbox to put money in.
So did you?
Talk it down on price?
Yeah. Sorry, mailbox. I can only give you a 20.
You're getting on there 50 bucks today.
I couldn't have fit it all in there.
I fucking got it in 20s.
What'd I miss?
Ian says the e-brake will work because the cable's hooked up. I don't know who installed it. Phil Collins tried to take it out. I got it, so what's the difference?
You guys are so good to each other. Okay, you guys done yet or what? Let's get on the ground. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's do this. Let's do it. You're so funny. Prankster. Hey, can you guys not do that here? This is a family-friendly social distancing.
Where do you think family comes from?
Not that.
What's it say? 29. They want 30 in the front, 35 in the back. 35 all the way around. Yeah, I know. She good.
So we wheeled the boat in here. We got the Huist. It's called the Huist. It's our grandfather's old boat. We inherited it after he passed. What we're gonna do, we got a new trailer jack here. We're gonna just swap out the trailer jack and then cut this one off, put the new one on. There's something else. Oh, there's a new hook. This S hook is kind of wienered, so change that out. I got a new, where did it go? It's here somewhere. There it is. I got a new clip, nice big clip for it. I think the clip will work a lot better. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing swapped out. We got a new one. Yeah, that's really nice. You can roll it easier. Okay, go ahead. Okay, look out, go. That way or this way?
That way.
This way?
Had it on the seat or something. Yeah, let's just give it a minute.
Adios. Well, that wasn't too hard. You can see there, pretty skookum, nice and new. Trailer's sitting actually pretty high right now. He doesn't have the drop hitch on it. This thing sits a bit high when it's jacked all the way up, but yeah, it's new. So we're just gonna clean the boat out, get some of the stuff out of here. A bunch of junk, random junk there. I guess he had a tarp on it from before. A bunch of wood and stuff back there.
Yeah,
Getting all that out.
Yeah, I think I might take it all out. I didn't like the tarp on it because right now it's just holding moisture in. I don't want it to rot up any more than it already is, so I'd rather have the water go in and then just drain out.
I mean, it is a boat. It does sit in water when it's being used, so can't really be that bad for it.
Some boats live in water.
Yeah, some boats literally never come out of the water. All right, let's get this cleaned out.
Oh shit!
Oh, that felt great. I knew it was coming too.
I couldn't help you. If I tried to launch, I would have slid off it myself. It hit you hard, but also like plowed into the launch. Did you get it on video?
Probably. All right, it's a boat again, kind of. Needs a transom rebuilt. It's kind of unfortunate, but what do you do? All right. Well, what do you think? I'm gonna hop out of here.
Back soft. How does it feel there?
Pretty solid. Really soft here.
Whatever. I don't think people will be partying in one spot.
Anyway, it's dinked, so it's got to go. This is I believe this is actually a tent that's still good, and I think the poles are actually sitting somewhere. I remember a bag of poles. So I don't know what to do with this tent. I think I might sprawl it out, let it dry out, sweep the floor up and I'll lay it out, let it dry out and see if it's actually wienered. Then I'll have a look and see if I can find the poles for it. All right, yeah, I think it's actually in really good shape. I don't know where the poles will be though. I'll have to dig those out one day. I'm gonna put that thing away tomorrow probably. I'll just fold it up nicely and stick it in the crawl space. 'Cause it's heated down there and I just need this thing to dry out a little bit so I can put it down there. Other than that, I don't know what to do with these. This is garbage. That's just going in the burn pile. All this stuff. I'm gonna leave it right there for now. What are the chances? I'm just talking about it, and there it is. It's literally right around the corner there. Weird. All right, well, I found the poles. That's weird. So I'll just leave those right there. That's my tent set. And that's weird. Wow. I'm gonna put these gloves somewhere where they can dry out as well. I'm blown away with that. That's really crazy. Hey, bro. I found the poles for the tent. They're sitting right against the house. I laid the thing out. I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna fold it up tomorrow and figure out where the poles are. Then I go around the corner because I'm putting wood away, and there's the poles sitting there against the house. I was like, what the hell?
The tent's still good?
Yeah, the tent's mint.
And I was about to light it on fire.
Yeah, we gotta lay that on fire because I think that stuff's done for.
I'm gonna call it a night.
Yeah.
I think Calvin keeps building stuff. Does he have a CNC machine?
Yeah, he has a CNC plasma. I know, that'd be sick. I love that. He's been building that thing for a long time.
Well, he's been building all sorts of stuff. He's built a fire pit, I saw.
Yeah, he's got a really sick fire pit. Builds all kinds of, like, I don't know. This is like a free plug for him. If you guys go down to the link below, my buddy Cal, if he's out in Alberta there, he started up his own little CNC plasma company. He's built all these little rinky-dink things. They're actually kind of cool. I want to get a hold of him and, you know, tell him to send me some cool shit. He built a really sick fireplace. It's all CNC cut, like all like mountainous and like deer and stuff. And he's got like these square pieces of metal cut out with, you know, just random sayings on them. Some of them are actually pretty funny. There you go, Cal. There's a free little plug for you. All right, well, that's it for our night.
What are we doing tomorrow?
Wood, firewood. Yeah, we'll probably gonna carry this one on tomorrow. Yeah, so that's it for our night. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Good morning. Good morning, folks. So this morning we're actually gonna get some wood chopped up. So I gotta move the EL, the TL, and we're gonna get the trailer hooked up. Drive the trailer down to my wood pile. Once the trailer's down by the wood pile, we're gonna get the sides put on it. and then we'll grab the wood splitter, take the wood splitter over there, and we're just gonna chop up a bunch of wood for my grandmother, and we're gonna take it over there. Let's get these cars moved. Alright, now we got the trailer hooked up, got the cars all moved. Boy's gonna go for a ride. Let's see how long he stays on there for. Here we go. Trailer's hooked up, so we're gonna get the log splitter down here. Nice work, bro. Okay, we'll back the trailer up because we couldn't really get the log splitter past the trailer, so I pulled forward. All right, well, I'll time lapse this one, so get this trailer loaded up. All right, as you can see, we're all loaded up, ready to go. Just got to get Boy put in the back seat. Just got to head down to Home Depot, grab some soil, and then we'll head over and unload the truck and the trailer. That's gonna be fun because it was a lot of fun getting it all in there. Okay, let's do this.
2 hours later.
We have arrived. Okay, we'll cut straight to it. We'll get this unloaded. Ugh, made it back home. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna go in, have a coffee, have something to eat. I got some leftover pizza from yesterday, so I'm gonna eat that. Yeah, we'll see what Bro's up to here in a little bit. I'll catch you guys then. There's my bro.
Hey bro, what's up?
My bro left me because we were supposed to hang out today. He left me. So do you want to just like, you know, close the vlog out or what?
I wasn't even there today.
And neither was I. Not really much happened. Hey kitty cat. I'm just here to close the vlog, that's all. Okay, well bro wasn't there very much to help with the wood splitting and the wood chopping and stuff because he decided he had better things to do than hang out with his
save
bro.
Sean.
Just you know, like this video, give it a subscribe. Actually, give my channel a subscribe and give this video a like.
Give this video
a subscribe. Like the subscribe button.
Like the channel. Subscribe to the video.
Sid's here because he's bored. Top secret thing. I have to leave tomorrow morning for a couple hours. Taking the truck and trailer.
Top secret though? Are you?
Taking the truck and trailer. It's top secret though.
Yeah. I'm in my pajays.
Pajays. Yeah, so we got some new stuff coming up. I'm gonna save that one for the next vlog though. So be sure to stay tuned for that one.
Sid's gonna help me with mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're both gonna have top secret projects. Mine's actually probably not gonna be entirely top secret because I'll announce it in the next vlog. I'm actually kind of giving it away right now as I talk about it, but.
Well, I mean, only a little bit.
Yeah, it involves a truck and a trailer and having to leave for a couple hours.
Do you work tomorrow?
I was going to, but I decided not to. So, all right. So yeah, like I said, give this video a like, smash pissers.
Smash my jammers.
Smash the jammers. See you guys on the next one, which will be extremely exciting. Yeah.
All right.
So, yeah.
I'll see you then.
Heck
Yeah. Yeah, so if you enjoyed that vlog, that actually has like almost nothing to do with anything in it.
I feel like I'm always just standing here watching you end it.
Well, why are you in this one then?
Thanks for watching. MacDonald Auto.
Like, comment, subscribe. See ya.